Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to get a very bright skin, glowing skin in just 1 week. This is home remedy. They are very effective and you have to be using it consistently for that 1 week and you will get a very bright complexion. It will fade discoloration, fade dark spots, and also help to tighten your skin up. So I'll be showing you the ingredients you need and it will help you to get that glowing skin and beautiful skin. You will look very beautiful without makeup. Back, this is the remedy. So once you have done mixing the ingredients together, then you have to gently apply it on your skin, on your face, all over your neck. You have to carry it for 30 minutes, then wash it off with cold water, clean water, or even lukewarm water, and it will help to clear off acne, black spots, and other skin discoloration. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Thanks. See you on my next upload.